What's up, guys? In this video we're going to go over tags and what they are, how they work, and what you can do with them. So tags are pretty universal as far as functionality. So tags can actually start workflows, they can end workflows. What workflows are automations that are happening. So for instance, if you wanted to execute forever follow-up and attach it to the forever follow-up workflow, which is essentially just it continuously follows up with a client for like forever until they hit us back. You can do that when you tag a client forever follow-up. Boom, they're going to be emailed and texted once a week, every week for like the rest of their life. That is an option that you can actually do. And then like if somebody opts out of getting text messages from you, we can have it automatically tag them, hey, they have opted out, and you'll be able to visually see that. Or for instance, we can do tags that are not associated with a particular workflow, like hey, the client is interested, so you would just tag them interested, or past client, or client has paid. That is exactly what tags are and how they work. Or you can also use tags to filter out like bad contacts or people that just weren't interested and you don't need them in your contact list. So you can actually tag them bad contact, and then we can start a workflow that starts deleting everybody who is tagged bad contact. That is also a possibility. Many things can be done with tags, especially when you start working with automations and workflows. Or you know, just for whenever you're working in your contact list, you go to contacts, you can actually click a particular thing and just filter them out by tag. Here's some other things that you can kind of take a look at. Invoice has been sent, invoice paid, abandoned cart. This is super cool. Abandoning cart, it's not super cool, but tagging them abandoned cart, that's whenever you start getting, if you've ever been to an online store and somebody has started emailing you after you put something in the cart and didn't check out, we can actually view that as well. And guess what? We can start sending them texts and emails saying, hey, we see that you didn't check out, but you put stuff in your cart. What's going on? And we can maybe send them a 10% off coupon to get them to finish their order, or 5% or $5 or $10, and create the coupon on our system to get them to finish that order. You can actually do it for particular order sizes as well. Like if do it like $20 for people who are buying over $5. There's tons and tons of things, like people who have done refunds or needed a refund or requested a refund. People who have been sold, we can tag them sold, canceled the appointment. I mean, we have tons and tons that we can do. None of these are going to be like these are things that we uploaded as a company. We can actually build these out for you as well if you so need them. Lead magnets, offer clicked link. There's so many options we can do. So if you have any questions on tags and how they work, or if you need help with them, please let us know. Until then, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.